Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. We have learned how to create the table and how to insert the record in the table. In this video we will learn some other option. Let me enter the email here. See, I have inserted the different email addresses here, and you can note that these email addresses are inserted in form of hyperlink because we have selected the hyperlink data type for the email address, right? And when you click on any of these email, you can directly send email to any of these accounts. See, we can send the email, right? Now let's see how we can insert the photo here. Double click, then click on add, choose the photo from your system. Let me choose it again. Click OK. See, one photo is inserted here, right? And here we have the different buttons, like this is button for first record, this is for last record, this is next button, and this is previous button, right? And if you want to insert a new record, click here. These are the different record buttons. Let me show you here. See, this is for first record, this is for last record, and this is for previous, this is for next. If you want to insert a new record, let me show you here. You can insert a new blank record, click here, and see a new record is inserted. Now again go back to the design view. Let me show you here some other option. Okay, for the city, if I choose this option, default value, and here I will enter the default value, right? I have the three different cities, but I will insert the default value. Click OK. Now again go back to the data view sheet. See, by default this city name is inserted because I have selected this city name as default value, right? So when I insert a new record, this city name will be added by default. Let me show you here. See, I inserted a new record. Again, this city name is added by default, right? Let me show you again. Again, I inserted a new record and this city name is added by default, right? Now I will show you how we can create the drop down button so that we can select from all of these cities, right? Again, go back to the design view. Now just remove this default value, and for city I will select the data type lookup wizard. Choose this option. I will type in the values that I want. Click on next. Then here type the city names. Now click on the next. See, 3 columns are added. Now again go back to datasheet view. Now see, here we have this drop down button, right? We can select any of these cities, right? See, in this way we can create and use the drop down button in the table. These are the different buttons. We can switch between the records. You can apply the filter. Right now there is no filter applied. We can search the record. Let me show you here. See, in this way we can search the record. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Thank you very much.